Today, I'm sharing the best free tools to fix 99% of your Windows problems. Whether it's a slow system, blue screens, or boot issues, these tools have got you covered. And the best part? They're all free to download. Check the description below for links to each tool. Plus, stick around until the end for a special tip to keep your PC running smoothly. Let's dive in. First up, we have Windows Repair All-in-One by Tweaking.com. This tool is like a Swiss Army knife for fixing Windows issues. It can repair file permissions, reset the registry, fix Windows update problems, and even restore your firewall settings. It's perfect for tackling those stubborn errors that just won't go away. And the best part? It's portable so that you can run it straight from a USB drive. Just make sure to use it in safe mode for the best results. Next, don't overlook the tools already built into Windows. The Windows troubleshooters can handle common issues like network problems, audio glitches, and even printer errors. Just go to Settings greater than Update and Security greater than Troubleshoot and let Windows do the heavy lifting. It's simple, effective, and already on your PC. For the tech-savvy users out there, check out Windows Repair Toolbox. This lightweight tool acts as a hub for diagnostics and repair utilities. It includes malware cleanup, hardware monitoring, and even third-party tools like CC Cleaner, all in one place. It's a bit advanced, but if you're comfortable with tech, this tool is a powerhouse for fixing almost any issue. Another fantastic option is Advanced System Care Free by IOBit. This tool focuses on optimizing your PC's performance while fixing common Windows problems. It cleans junk files, repairs registry issues, boosts startup speed, and even has basic malware protection built in. It's beginner-friendly, making it perfect if you want a one-click solution to improve speed and stability without digging into complex settings. And finally, we have Fortect. This tool is beginner-friendly and perfect for fixing corrupted system files, registry errors, and even blue screens. It uses a database of clean Windows files to replace any that are missing or damaged. While the complete repair requires a paid version, the free trial is great for diagnosing issues and deciding if it's worth the upgrade. And that's a wrap for today. 5 amazing tools to fix 99% of Windows problems. Whether you're dealing with a slow PC, random crashes, or boot issues, these tools have got your back. Ready to get started? Download links for all the tools are in the description below. Oh, and don't miss our next video where I'll show you how to download Adobe After Effects for free on PC and Mac. Click the link on the screen or in the description to watch now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy troubleshooting!